Paytm has already reported its earnings over the weekend, and the stock has really reacted quite sharply, 5% up in trade today. Your own sense of what did you read through, since Paytm has now come under your coverage area as well? Very recently you put it. These earnings, have they come in as per your own expectations? What is it that you really liked about the earnings? And post the earnings, now what is your own sense of how should investors be approaching this stock?
Yes, actually, definitely. I think there has been a lot of debate with especially with the new age tech companies, disappointing performance after the IPO. But I think somewhere now, some of these companies have started to showing us the marked improvement in the overall financials, which is the point that we were looking for since the days of these companies got listed. That the market would start rewarding the day they start seeing visibility in terms of profitability. So Paytm last quarter Q3 reported a good surprise in terms of improvement in profitability. The same trend continued in Q4. So the net loss moderated to 1.7 billion rupees from 3.9 billion in Q3. The total revenue was supported by growth in GMV, plus the disbursements on the lending side has been pretty strong. So overall, I think the company is seeing a strong improvement. There has been sustained momentum in the GMV. There has been a strong, robust growth in disbursements. There is traction in the subscription devices, the merchant payment devices, which is leading to the network effect that Paytm is having and helping it on its lending business. I think gradual improvement in operating leverage has boosted the contribution margin to above 50%, is now at 52%. And we expect the operating leverage will continue to drive operational profitability going forward. So thus, I think, as I said, there has been growth across the broad spectrum of the businesses that they are present in. Profitability is now visible much earlier than what the management was guiding earlier. On back of that, we believe that the stocks re-rating should continue. We have a target price of 900, which gives a decent 25-30% upside from current levels.
So is this still a conservative target price that you would say? Do you believe the stock still has potential to perhaps even look further from these levels?
So I think it's a decent upside from current levels, but as and when the performance keeps continuing to improve, we will keep reviewing the stock in terms of our expectations, our estimates, and that should lead to continuous re-rating over the next several quarters.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.